Hello, I welcome you once again to another lesson in our VBA training. And in today's training, we are going to learn how to select and activate a cell or a group of cells. Now in Excel, if you want to select a cell, you just place your mouse on the cell that you want to select and just click on it to select. So let's say if you want to select B3, you just go to B3 and just click on it to select. And if you want to select a range, you just click and drag to the area that you want to select. You just select it. So that is how we select in Excel. The same way we can use VBA to do this task. So let's go to our VBA editor. Let's go to our VBA editor and then let's create a model, or let's use an existing model for this. Okay, so we already have a model here, so let's create a subroutine. So with this subroutine, we are going to name it as sub activate underscore select underscore cell. Okay, good. So now we are going to learn how to select a cell using a VBA and how to activate a cell. There are two methods that we are going to use. The first one is either you use the select keyword, and the second one is either use the activate keyword. So we are going to start with the activate keyword. So with the activate keyword, you set your range. So a range, that is a cell, the actual cell that you want to select. So range, then the name of the cell, let's say B2. So B2 is what you want to select. Then you hit dot activate. Good. So that is how we activate a cell. So we can do the same thing for a different cell. So let's say you can use cell C2, and the same thing also for a group of cell. You use the same thing for a group of cell. Okay, so a group of cell, the range will be, let's say, from B3 to, let's say, B5. Okay, so this is how we do it. So either we use the activate, so that is the first method. Now the second method too, we are going to use the select. So you type range. The range is from, let's say, C3, then you hit on dot select. Okay, so we can also do the same thing for different cells and range. So that's if you want to select more than one cell. So let's say D2, and if you want to select more than one cell, that would be the range. So C2, let's use C2 to C8. Okay, so this is it. So now this is what you are going to step into it. So let me do this one and for you to see the effect. Okay, so now let's step into it. So let's see. So that now the active cell is B4. The active cell is B4. Okay, so if you step into it now, the first one is B2 to be activated. So if you step into it, you see that B2 will be activated. Now the next one is C2. So C2 will also be activated. And the last one, the range of B2 to B3 to B5. So that group of cell will also be activated. Okay, so with the select option 2, the first one is C3. So C3 will be selected. B2 will be selected. D2 will be selected. Then C2 to C8, the full range will also be selected. So this is the simple way for selecting our cells using VBA. So I'll end this lesson here and continue in another lesson. God bless you. Bye.